Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to math class, grade 4, chapter 2. The lesson name long and short. At last class, we saw centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Shall we recall once? Centimeter is a small fixed length written as cm in short. We use it to measure small length of things like books, pencils, eraser, etc. So look at that markings on your ruler. 1, 2, 3 shows centimeters. We start measuring from the mark of the ruler from 0. Okay, children. And meter. Meter is used for measuring bigger lengths. It is written as m in short. Meter is much longer than centimeter. We use a meter tape or a meter scale to measure in meters. It is used to measure length of things like walls, cloth, etc. And then kilometer. Kilometer is used for measuring distance. It is written as km in short. So and then today we are going to see about conversion of smaller units of length into bigger units. So the conversion of smaller units of length into bigger unit, what you are going to do? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. To convert centimeter into meter, centimeter is a smaller unit, meter is a bigger unit. So here what you want to do? Divide centimeter by 100. Look at the examples. Convert the following into meters. So what is the sum is given? 600 centimeter. Centimeter is a smaller unit. So you want to convert into bigger unit. That means meter. So 600 divided by 100. So 600 divided by 100 is 6 meter. What is your answer? 6 meter. Look at another example. 400 centimeter. This 400 divided by 100 meter. So you want to cancel these zeros. Then you are going to get 4 by 1 can written as 4 meter. So your answer is 4 meter. Look at another topic. Convert the following into meter and centimeter. So what is the sum is given? 925 centimeter. You want to convert in meter and centimeter. So what you want to do? This 925 you can split and write 900 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. This you want to change it as meter. So 900 divided by 100 put into the bracket into meter. So 900 divided by 100 is 9 meter. This 25 centimeter as such you want to write down. Then you want to add 9 meter plus 25 centimeter is your answer 9 meter 25 centimeter. Look at another example. 606 centimeter. So you want to split and write 58,600 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. So this term you want to convert into meter. What do you want to do? Divided by 100. 58,600 divided by 100 plus 6 centimeter. So 58,600 divided by 100. What is your answer? 586 meter. Then this 6 centimeter as such write it as down. So this two term you want to add. Your answer is 586 meter and then 6 centimeter. Okay, children. So this shortcut method, how to write this two term you can consider as centimeter. Remaining these digits are meter. This is a short form. Okay, children. And then next topic, convert the following meter into kilometer or kilometer and meter. Look at the example sum. To convert meter into kilometer, divide meter by 1000. So 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So what is the sum is given? 4527 meter. So next what do you want to do? You want to split it and write 4000 meter plus 527 meter. 4000 meter plus 527 meter. This you want to convert in kilometer. Convert into kilometer. So 4000 divided by 1000 is, what is your answer, children? 4000 divided by 1000 kilometer is equal to 4 kilometer. After that, this as such you want to take it and write down. Plus 527 meter, and then your answer is 4 kilometer 527 meter. So this also you can split and write. This last three terms consider as meter. This remaining, how many digits are there, consider as it is a kilometer. Okay children. And then look, one more example. 8000 meter is given. You want to convert into kilometer. So 8000 divided by 1000 is 8 kilometer. Your answer is, as I told no, that shortcut method. This 3 consider as meter. After that, digits are there. You can write it as kilometer. Okay children. And then next topic, convert the following into meter. Convert the following into meter. To convert kilometer into meter, multiply the kilometers by 1000. Multiply the kilometers by 1000. That means bigger unit into smaller unit, you can multiply by 1000. So here what is the sum is given? 16 kilometer. You want convert into meter. So 16 kilometer into 1000, your answer is 16,000 meter. Look at another example. 7 kilometer 450 meter. Convert into meter. Yes children. So already it is mentioned in meter. So as such you want to write plus 450 meter. This alone you want to convert into meter. Yes, 7 into 1000 meter is 7000 meter plus 450 meter. These two you want to add. 7000 meter plus 450 meter. Your answer is 7450 meter. Okay children. And then look at next topic, addition of length. What is the topic? Addition of length. Look at the example sums. Add the following: 12 meter 3 centimeter, and then next 18 meter 6 centimeter. So you want to add. How to add? First you want to write it as bigger unit and then smaller unit. So the bigger unit is 12 meter 3 centimeter, 18 meter and then 6 centimeter. Add this, 3 plus 6 is 9, 2 plus 8 is 10. So you write it as 0 here. Carry over 1 in next place. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Your answer is 30 meter 9 centimeter. Look at another example. 18 kilometer 35 meter plus 10 kilometer 70 meter. First you want to write bigger units. After you want to write smaller units. So 18 kilometer 35 meter, 10 kilometer 70 meter. Add 5 plus 0 is 5, 3 plus 7 is 10, 0 you can write, carry over in next place. So 1 plus 8 is 9 and then 1 plus 1 is 2. Your answer is 29 kilometer 5 meter. And then look, another topic, subtraction of lengths. What is the sum? 142 meter 82 centimeter from 256 meter 98 centimeter. From it is given. First you want to write it as this number 256 meter 98 centimeter. After that 142 meter 82 centimeter. Now do the subtraction. 8 minus 2 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So your answer is 114 meter 16 centimeter. Next example, 11 kilometer 846 meter from 29 kilometer 652 meter. Look at the sum. First you want to write bigger unit, kilometer. After that the smaller unit is meter. So 29 kilometer 652 meter sub minus 11 kilometer 846 meter. Do the subtraction carefully, children, and then check your answer. 17 kilometer 806 meter. Okay, children. I hope you understood this topic. I given the homework in your workbook, page number 11, 12 and 13. We will meet again in the next class. Thank you all.